Each Friday, we here at DITV are proud to bring in the ICAC Animal of the Week. This is reserved for that one special animal at the Animal Care and Adoption Center who's ready to meet their new family.
With Easter right around the corner, we have decided to bring you Harvey, a white as snow New Zealand rabbit. Like all rabbits, Harvey requires lots of love and attention to live a happy life. Harvey is not litter box trained, however, he can be taught and is a quick learner.
When not munching away on carrots, Harvey enjoys playing with all sorts of toys and having space to roam. Harvey has a calm personality and can fit in with families with older children.
Rabbits require similar care and attention as a dog or a cat, so weigh your options before adopting a bunny this Easter season.
For more information on Harvey and all other animals, you can visit the ICAC website, call them at their phone number, or stop by to find your next furry family member.